We were glad to try the Neabot self-emptying robot vacuum. Has a long dusting brush and picks up decent-sized debris with ease. Mapping technologies keeps it from banging into and moving furniture. It vacuums evenly without lifting up rugs. The removable dustpan has convenient instructions and cleaning tools. Has an attachable dusting and mop pad and extra pieces. It's also very quiet and pet-friendly. When the vacuum is full, it will return to the base station and empty into a collecting bag. Overall, this is a good home vacuuming system.